As the farmers' protest on Delhi borders enters day 8, more action is expected with a delegation of crop growers set to meet Union Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar today to resolve the crisis over the newly enacted farm laws. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh is also expected to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah today. Several popular faces from the Punjab entertainment industry have also lent support to the protesting farmers. Singer Jazzy B, Amrinder Gill, Gippy Grewal, Kamarjeet, Anmol, and comedian actor Gurpreet Guggi have also posted messages supporting the protesters. Beam Army Chief Chandrasekhar Azad will shortly arrive at Singhu border as well. The situation may turn tenser if the deadlock between the centre and the farmers continue, as the protesters have threatened to block other roads in Delhi and take more steps. They have demanded that the BJP-ruled central government convene a special session of the parliament and repeal the new farm laws. The leaders of the protesting farmers wrote to Union Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on Wednesday, demanding a special session of Parliament to repeal the new farm laws and asking the government to not indulge in divisive agenda to break farmers' unity. The letter comes a day before the second round of talks that is scheduled to take place between the centre and the leaders of the farmer unions to resolve the ongoing standoff over the new agriculture laws. We ask the government not to indulge in any divisive agenda with regards to farmers' movement, which is united in its demands at this point of time. This was clear from the meeting proceedings yesterday. This is what Sanyukta Kisan Morcha Coordination Committee, which is spearheading the protest, said in a letter. According to the letter, the leaders asked the centre to ensure that representatives of various farmers' organizations and their alliances are decided by the farmers and not by the government, and that the All India alliances that have been at the forefront of the agitation get representation in the consultations. Coming forward in support of agitating farmers, Transporters Apex Body AIMTC on Wednesday threatened to halt operations in northern India from December 8 if the government fails to address concerns of the farming community. The All India Motor Transport Congress is the apex body of transporters representing about 95 lakh truckers and other entities. AIMTC has already extended its support to the farmer agitation from day one. We have decided on stopping our operations strategically starting from North India, and if the government does not address the issue of the farmers, then we may decide to go for shutting down of the transport operation nationwide in their support. This is what AIMTC President Kultaran Singh Atwal said. Dharampal Gulati, the owner of MDH Masala, passed away on Thursday morning at the age of 98. According to reports, Gulati was undergoing treatment at the hospital in Delhi for the last 3 weeks. He suffered a cardiac arrest on Thursday morning and breathed his last at 5:30 am. Fondly called Dalaji or Mahashayji, Gulati was born in 1923 in Sialkot, Pakistan. A school dropout, he joined his father's spice business in the early days. Days after the promulgation of the ordinance against forced conversion, a Muslim man was arrested in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. The arrest was made 5 days after the first lawsuit against love jihad was registered at Devrania police station, while the accused has been sent to jail. Allegedly, the 21-year-old accused was having an affair with a Hindu girl and was pressuring her to convert to Islam, following which the girl's father married her to someone else during the COVID-19 triggered lockdown. As per the complaint, the accused was threatening to kill her, and on November 28, the lawsuit was filed against Owais under the Uttar Pradesh law against forced conversion 3/5 section 505, 506 of the Indian Penal Code. On Wednesday, the police arrested the accused in the matter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.